Need the best auto body shop in the Cedar Park, Texas Anderson Mill area? If you are looking for an auto body repair shop in Cedar Park's Anderson Mill area, you can quit searching. Watch this auto body shop video for Cedar Park, Texas Anderson Mill service, body collision repair. Quote, if it's been in a mishap, obtaining your vehicle repaired is a wise method to maintain your vehicle going particularly. It can truly conserve you cash as well as time. Nevertheless, understanding where to take your vehicle for repair work is a challenging choice. You wish to ensure that you are obtaining high-quality repair work at a sensible expense. When selecting a car body repair work store, there are great deals of points to browse for. If your vehicle requires repair work, discover exactly how to select the extremely finest vehicle repair work store for your car. Numerous car body stores offer a choice of services that consist of paint retouch, paintless damage elimination, wheel edge repair work solution, bumper repair work, wind. You ought to begin looking by asking around or going down right into Regional Car Body Service Center. Discover what type of job they do, for how long it will certainly require to finish the repair work, just how much it will certainly cost you, as well as the type of procedure they utilize to repair vehicles, as well as anything else you may believe is essential. Below are a couple of even more points. Search for a store that offers a wide variety of services. This way each of your car body needs can be satisfied at the exact same place as well as looked after by the exact same licensed expert. This is not a single indicator, however, if a store has actually been around for a long time, it is most likely that they are relied on as well as ought to do a great task on your car. Do not choose a store that has numerous poor evaluations. If you were to have any type of problems down the roadway, you desire to be certain that they will certainly be around to support any type of guarantee or assurance that they are most likely guarantee you. Ensure that you authorize of the high quality of job that the car body store creates. You wish to obtain the repair work done the proper way the very first time. It is totally appropriate to ask the store to see circumstances of the job they have actually previously done. This will certainly provide you the absolute best concept of what to expect. Although that high quality is amongst one of the most considerable points you are searching for, you will certainly wish to obtain a great cost also. Do not simply select the very first store. Search about as well as contrast all elements of their solution. After that, choose the one you really feel fits you as well as your vehicle. Auto body repairs near you for Cedar Park, Texas Anderson Mill. Visit a local auto body shop in the Cedar Park, Texas Anderson Mill area to get your SUV back on the road without delay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.